Hey everybody, so I just got this 10 by 12 arc gazebo that I wanted to show you. So this is made of some high quality steel. It is going to be perfect for those outdoor beautiful days where you just want to go ahead and hang out underneath your gazebo. It has a very nice top here that's going to be covered as well as vented, so you're not going to have to worry about that. The other thing that's nice is it's going to come with 2 tracks. So you're going to have an outer track that's going to provide you with protection from the wind and the weather. So you can go ahead and close this one when you have those cold days and you want to sit outside. And everything is going to be able to be held back with these nice Velcro pieces here. So those will fit very perfectly around your pillars. You also can take your pillars and go ahead and secure them to the ground, either using your concrete stakes or, if you're securing this somewhere else, onto a deck or onto a patio piece, you can do that as well. So we can go ahead and close this one here and then zip it up. So we have a zipper that's going to be an inner and an outer zipper 2-way, and we can go ahead and zip this shut and provide ourselves a nice protection from the weather. So there's your outer covering. So if it's a nice day, you want to open this up, but you're worried about bugs. Then we have our inner cover here. So this is going to be a net that is going to encase the entire gazebo, just like this. So perfect for any type of weather. I'm really excited about the versatility of this gazebo, but the other thing is just the look for it. It is actually so beautiful and nice and strong, sturdy, durably built, which I really appreciate as well. So let me take you guys for a closer look here. So let's get in and take a closer look at this. Here's your top. You've got nice ventilation up there. And then the ceiling. Very nice. We've got 4 nice solid poles here to hold everything up. So your 360-degree netting. You can see that here. What's nice is that both the net and the solid cover, both can be tied back, as you can see here. So you don't have to worry about them blowing out or flapping around in the wind or anything. And here we are fully enclosed, so you can have a party and sit out and enjoy your gazebo at any point during the year, no matter what the weather is. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful.